Hey friends, how's it going? Here are my pride and joy finds from Burning Bridge Antiques located in Columbia, PA. These I happened upon by sheer luck. They are a gold framed glass front bird print. And yes, they are antique. They are from 1876 by a Scottish naturalist who studied birds. We know this as ornithology. Their behavior, their movement, patterns, migration, all the things that birds do. This man, William Jardine, studied, and he made prints of birds. And these are what I call a heavy asset. You find something like this and you purchase them, and again, they appreciate in value, and they are beautiful. They are so beautiful. I'm so happy that these are mine, and if you like birds, leave me a comment. Take care.